Hi everyone, and thank you for taking this lesson on how to introduce yourself. So let's begin. If you want to introduce yourself in Spanish, you should say something like me llamo. Me llamo literally means I call myself, and even though it may sound like a weird thing to say in English, in Spanish it isn't. Me llamo can be translated as my name is. So after me llamo, you should say your name. Por ejemplo, me llamo Andrés. This means I call myself Andrés, or in better English, my name is Andrés. If your name is Brandon, you say me llamo Brandon. Another way to say me llamo is mi nombre es. Mi nombre es literally means my name is. Mi nombre means my name, and es means is. So mi nombre es Andrés translates to my name is Andrés. Okay? Another way to introduce yourself is by saying simply soy. Soy. Soy means I am. So if you say soy Ana, that means I am Ana. Again, soy means I am. Mi nombre es means my name is, and me llamo can also be translated as my name is. Okay, so now we know how to say our names, but what if we want to know the name of the person that you're speaking with? In English, we might ask what's your name to do that, right? So in Spanish, we'll say, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas can be translated as what is your name, although it literally means how do you call yourself. Another way to ask is ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre means what's your name. So if you say this to another person, they might tell you their name. So if it's a she can say me llamo Ana, right? Or she can say soy Ana. Now, if you're a polite person, you may want to say something like nice to meet you, maybe, right? So to say nice to meet you in Spanish, you should say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you.